Good morning. Today, Foodie Nation is here, and by me, Julia Lucio. So now we're going to start the process to make the coconut bake.
Okay, so we're going to watch at Aunty Julia now, needing flour to make coconut bake. Hoey! But of course I will help her, you know. I won't leave you do all the work by yourself.
Uncle Clyde must help me.
Because it's a love, you know.
Like how you just say it, love in the house.
Love in your house.
All right. So we'll add a little pinch of salt. Just a sprinkle. A little tip of sugar. Just a sprinkle too. A little yeast. And some butter and lard. Then the coconut milk. Mix it. Have to knead it soft. And then I'm going to put some flour.
So Julia, you doing this long time?
Plenty years, plenty years.
Since I'm small?
Since I'm small.
Okay. And you never teach me to make it your way? How will I go look?
Boy.
But don't worry, our parents teach us everything. Don't matter how small we was.
Yeah.
They teach us everything to do.
Amen for that.
Yeah. From
so
day
you all
one.
know each other since you were small?
Long time.
From long.
Long time.
Yeah.
So you come back up. You're rice.
So how long you live in this rest for so?
About half an hour.
Okay. So resting here for half an hour and then we go in again. We'll make up the 3 dough as Julia say and fire after. Love in the house. I and Julia now we will boil a little black coffee. You know how it does go?
Yeah.
Must have a little coffee.
Must have coffee. Yeah, be a nice strong coffee.
So this have to boil up until it almost to fall over. And sometimes when you come into to fall over, you have to blow it.
Yeah.
You're not kind of stand up, you know?
yeah. For it to go back down.
For it to go back down, yeah.
A little 2 minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have to come up.
No for now.
Yeah. Let it boil until when it reach almost to the top, just pass a spoon or add a little water. And then drop back down.
What? Okay, nice those slippery.
Yeah. When you're boiling this coffee, you have to smell the aroma. Have to be strong and nice. Yeah, man, we will sample Aunty Julia coffee. Watch the cup.
In a milk cup.
Old tradition.
Yeah, not plenty.
Well, Aunty Julia.
Merci appeal.
Merci appeal.
Merci.
Merci, yeah. Merci. Merci means thanks.
Thanks, yeah.
So, yeah.
Merci.
So Andrew,
Merci.
nice to see you here with your wife.
For
and only drinking our coffee what Uncle Clyde make.
Yeah. Amen.
Amen. Paramin cup, Paramin tradition, black coffee all the time.
Caffeine.
Peace and love. So Julia, the next step is to do it out?
Yeah, to roll it over.
Roll it over and
See how nice and soft?
okay. And leave it rest for how long again?
About 15 minutes again.
Right. And then fire.
Yeah. Right.
So that's it there now?
Yeah.
So that rest there for a little 10 minutes?
A
And
little 15 minutes
and
at
then
least.
Roast it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All I add in is saltfish and smoke herring is some ruku to give it a little color so it won't be white.
All right.
So you see how it have a nice color?
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, the ruku.
Right now I'll help Auntie Julia flatten them out, you know, and then we put them in the oven. Okay. So.
See, it's soft, man.
Let's open it nice. Are you doing faster than me?
Nice. Right, Uncle Clyde boy. What? This is a boss, Uncle Clyde boy.
Well, I'm learning from Auntie Julia then now. Look back and all.
Right.
How are you doing good?
Yeah, very good. You're doing so good you could open the next one.
Oh yeah. Okay, I am in the oven now.
Yeah. What? Uncle Clyde boy. You have to come and help me when I have plenty to do, boy.
Good, man. Nice. Loving the house
Very
between
good.
me and Julia.
Very
She's
good.
showing me all the whole process, how things does go. And I love it. It's a love for everything that we're doing.
Yeah. Amen. But if you don't check it in time, just below a little white cell, just give it 2 minutes again. Well, I was different over down there. I feel that one below good. I feel like one on top too good. Yeah. Come and see Uncle Clyde. Check the one on top.
Okay, I'll take what I make in the oven by Auntie Julia, of course.
Right away. Right.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
We're good to go.
Yeah. On top.
You sit here.
Take it out from the pan. So you sweat. Turn it over. Yeah. The next one, one on top.
This one good too?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Turn it over. Right.
So now we'll taste Auntie Julia bake, coconut bake. So we'll see how it going.
Sample.
Yeah.
Open it.
Yes, Auntie Julia. We're good to go.
Some saltfish. And some smoked herring.
Ça, c'est pas mes trop.
Here you are.
Thank you, Auntie Julia. Thank you so much
This
to
one is
taste your bake. The bake and the buljol and
Thank
the
you.
saltfish buljol, smoked herring buljol. Most of all, in the calabash. The old tradition.
all we.